Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ronak Das. Today I will play Pokemon Fire Red and I have a news for you. I was going to play Pokemon Soul Silver and when I was opening the ROM was gone. There was no ROM. Then I decided I will play Pokemon Fire Red. So I am playing Pokemon Fire Red today and I was going to play Pokemon Alpha Sapphire, but I thought when I will reach kind of 100 or 200 subscribers, when it will be, God knows, but guys, you can help me to reach that point and I can play 3DS games like Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. So let's start this game. Here is our all stuffs like our instructions. Hello there, glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Professor Oak. People officially what it called, I don't know. For some as my study as Pokemon professor. Okay, now tell me about I'm a boy. And obviously I will name myself Ronak. So let's name our O should be small, okay. Oh, where are you? Oh, here you are. U N O K. Yeah. So guys, I'm playing this fast, so it's a problem. Guys, I slow it down. He's our rival. What's his name now? Yes, Professor Oak always forgot his grandson's name. How I don't know. Let's name him Kevin or what? Let's name him Kevin. Kevin is a good name. I thought Kevin from the Ben 10. Kevin, Ben's friend come rival, as our rival is Kevin. Guys, see my brain. Okay, enough of jokes. Let's go walk. Okay, was it Kevin? That's right, I remember. Ronak, your very own legend adventure and the world of dream and adventure will be Pokemon await. Let's go. So let's go to our PC. Where I'm going? Let's go to our PC. Guys, I'm telling, but I'm pushing the wrong button, so I'm going to the downstairs and we had a portion in our PC, so I took it. Here is one, let's see. Right, all boys leave home someday. It said on TV. Oh yes, Professor Oak next door was looking for you. Oh, where I'm going? Okay, guys, I know how. Yes, I know. I should go outside. Is Pokemon Oak outside? Oh, hey, wait! Don't go out. Okay, come. Guys, I will talk in a different. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon lives in the tall grass. You need your own Pokemons to be safe. I can't read that because I was talking in a different voice. So sorry, guys. If you comment down below if the voice is bad or good, I will say this. Grams, I'm fed up waiting. Kevin, let's think. Oh, that's right. I told you to come. Just wait. Here, Pokemon. Here, Ronak. There are Pokemons. The Pokemons are held inside the Pokeballs. When I was young, now I have only these 3 left. You choose one, Kevin. Hey, Grams. No fair. What? Be patient, Kevin. You can have one too. Let's see what Pokemons we have. And I know already, but let's think what Pokemon should I take. And I'm just running around. Okay, now let's see what Pokemon he has. I see Bulbasaur is a choice. It's very easy to raise. So Ronak, you want me to go with the grass poke Bulbasaur? No, let's see the other status. I know who's the other status, but I'm showing you guys. Hey, Squatter is a child. Each one word to raise. So Ronak, you have decided to take the water type Squatter. No. Charmander is a choice. You should raise it patiently. So you are claiming, no, let's think about it. No, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take that Pokemon. Oh, really? I have to reset the game now, but no, I don't want to nickname it. You take. Okay, guys. I resetted the game and I have to play all over again to in front of the Pokemons, the starters. So let's see what starter do I choose. Guys, I am back and let's go and take our starter. Hey, I don't want to go there. I have to take a circle and come. Guys, I have decided what starter do I choose. I will choose the Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur is the best starter for Kanto region. I know because I saw many walkthroughs of Pokemon Fire Red and many Poketubers took it, but my personal favorite is Charizard because Mega Charizard is the best. My favorite, one of my favorite Mega Evolution. But in this game I don't have Mega Evolution. But and Charizard is not all that great in this game, in the gym and in the Elite Four wise. But in and Bulbasaur is one of the best because first two gyms it can resist grass, resist electric too a little bit. I don't know. Guys, I forgot to tell you one thing. I will name him Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. Like that. It's very funny name. I don't know why I will keep it because I don't have any names. But leave that. So let's name it Bulbasaur. For sir, which spelling do I give? It's the normal or a different? I will give it a different shit because it's my nickname. So I will give it a different nickname because I am different. Yes, I am different. But guys, let's see. Bulbasaur. I will change the. Should I keep it? Yes, I should keep it. I believe in myself. If the name is bad, I will change the name. If there is a name name deleter, name writer, whatever. So I should keep it. So yes, I will keep it. So what button I am pressing? It's not happening. Is the game stopped? I don't want to play this game all over again. Please help anyone, help. Yes, finally. Woohoo, we finally did it. Yahoo. Guys, why you don't guys comment my videos? I want to see that what people want me to do. People want me to do this videos or other videos. Many of my friends told me to do roasting videos. Guys, may I do roasting videos? Comment down below. Please comment. I don't know what I should do. I want to do this gaming. I want to do this. I have to keep a content. I'm switching content here and there. First I have reviewing, then again reviewing, then I came to Pokemon. Yes, and my personal favorite content is Pokemon gaming, telling about you my Pokemons. And guys, don't worry, I will make a video that what is my first team for Pokemon Omega Ruby, because I didn't complete that game because I am stuck on the 8 gems puzzle. For one day I can solve the puzzle. What a IQ. Okay, leave that. And when I will finish that 8 gem and become the champion of the Hoenn region, means Pokemon Omega Ruby, I will do a video that is what is my first team for Pokemon Omega Ruby. And then if I reach, by mistake, if I reach 100 or 200 subscribers, I will do Alpha Sapphire 3DS game. So that is the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.